Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth here from BuyMeganElizabeth.com. Remember how I showed you this little pumpkin slate live a few months ago? Well, this is the slate that we've had hanging outside completely in the rain, the snow, the wind, not covered or protected by a porch or anything. And this is still how beautiful it looks after, well, we did it, I want to say we did it at the end of September, I mean. So September, October, November, December, and here we are. So what I'm going to do is wash it off and now prepare it for Christmas time. So the way I'm going to wash it, I'm just going to actually spritz it with some water, which I know I just said. It's been in the weather. It's been in the rain. It's been in the whatever. How has it not gone anywhere? Well, I'm going to spritz it with water now and just show you. Even saturating this in water, it doesn't drip, it doesn't run. It hardens. However, it's completely washable. So as soon as I grab one of our chalkboard surface erasers or paper towels, I can start going in there in a circular motion. Actually, I need this to be wet too. Get some water on here. I can just start washing it away. I can literally just start washing it away. I didn't want to keep doing it on there. It was sliding too much. And you can see it's coming right up. Okay, so after months and months of being on there, a little bit of water with some movement using one of our surface erasers or even just paper towels will get this up, but it needs water. It needs the water to wash it away. All right, now I'm just going to use a paper towel to kind of wipe it all away. Dry where I spritzed all the extra water. And it's not too wet, so it dries pretty quick. But you can see like some of the, because it's like a cracked slate, you can see some of the ink kind of settled in, and that's okay because it just gives it a little bit of character. Anyway, I want to use the Comfy Cozy transfer, because I think this is going to be really cute. I'm just going to use the words comfy and cozy and some of the elements on this this transfer. I'm trying to decide if I want to actually cut it out. I think I do. So I'm actually going to go in and carefully trim around how I want this to be. Which you don't have to be afraid of doing because you can easily piece everything back together with the Chalk Couture transfers. All right, and I'll show you in a minute how I'm going to do that. All right. And actually I find sometimes, especially with the larger transfers, as I showed earlier this month, is sometimes cutting them apart can help you with things drying too quickly and not working the way you want them to begin with. So what I want to do is actually utilize these holly berry leaves and things to kind of go around the outside edge, and then I want it to do Comfy Cozy Are We in the center. And I think we're going to go ahead and start with the berry leaves. All right, so I'm going to fuzz. I actually want to write that this is berry leaves on the back, or pine and holly. All right, and then this is also pine holly. And then this is Comfy Cozy. So when I piece everything back together, I know what goes on which backing sheet. So fuzzing it, it's just sticking to my pant leg, and I'm sticking it down on my surface. And I'm going to be using the colors Garden Herb and my brand new Candy Apple Red. So I'm going to peel back the foil. Paper towels are handy to have when you're doing this. All right, and I'm just gonna grab my multi-purpose tool. I'm gonna use the hooked end to stir my green and to go over everything that I don't want with the holly berries. So that's gonna be all these pine leaves and these little bursts at the end here. Excess can go right back into the container. All the way to the edge. You can really do detailed work with these multi-purpose tools too, which is great. So if you want to do multiple colors for different transfers, this is a great tool to have on hand, not only for stirring, but for applying. So if you don't already have one, get one. Or two, because I have like 5 now, because I use it all the time. And you can use both ends, which you're going to see me do in a second. Okay, so there's all the Garden Herb. In spots I want that. And now I'm just going to dip in the Candy Apple Red and go right over all my little berries. Perfection. This can sit here. This goes into some regular water. I'm going to wash it off. Go with a disinfectant wipe over the back and set it sticky side up to dry, and back onto its backing sheet it will go for reuse next holiday season or for a couple gifts or whatever else I want to be doing with this transfer. Okay, so then this one will go this way. So I'm trying to just go all the way down. Okay. Let's just do the red berries real quick. And you're going to have perfect detail with this. So pretty. Okay, now those are going to go in water, wash and dry. These are going to get their lids placed back on them so they don't dry out. And then where I had my little drip, I'm just going to spritz a little bit of water on there. And wipe that away. And I'm going to heat set this, so I'm going to dry it just for a minute with my heat gun. All right, now I'm going to use my favorite color is Fawn. Well, Fawn and Storm are my 2 most favorite colors of the colors that we have available in chalk paste right now. Like, they're my favorites. I feel like you need them more than you need white or black. You need to have white and black, but you need to have Fawn and Storm. Like, they just go on light surfaces, dark surfaces. Like, I love them. Okay, so I'm going to peel up my Comfy Cozy. I'm going to fuzz it again, sticking it on a towel or my pant leg or my t-shirt to get a little bit of fuzz on the back so it doesn't overstick to my non-porous surface. And it just says Comfy Cozy are we, and I'm going to, I know it's going to go off the edge a little bit because of the size, which is okay. That's why I'm not doing the entire transfer. But I want it to be, there we go. I think it's a cute little welcome. Comfy, cozy are we? And I'm going to go over the entire thing. Any place that it goes off the edge, of course I can wipe away. And satisfying to be able to do, because it just comes out so brilliantly perfect almost every time without the use of a die cutting machine or fancy special handwriting skills. I love it. Okay, how cute is this? I can't wait to hang it at the front door. It has the perfect little bit of holiday spirit and that comfy, cozy welcome that I think is awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Tuesday tutorial. Make sure you come on over and check out everything over at bymeganelizabeth.com. You can also find me on Facebook and YouTube. This is my first video as an engaged woman. Oh my goodness, I have chalk all over it. So exciting. Anyway, there's a full video telling a little bit more about that story at both Facebook and YouTube too. So go check them out and have a great day, guys. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.